Hey guys, okay, so today I will be providing you guys with amazing jobs. Six amazing jobs that you want to apply for if you are looking for a stay-at-home job position. And they are very easy to apply. The schedule is very flexible and the training is pretty easy and the pay rate is great. All right, guys, so I have Capital One, Humana, Sykes, TripleA, Progressive, and American Express, guys. So stay tuned. I have all the information that you need, that you want if you are looking for a stay-at-home job position. Thank you, guys. Let's get started. We have some 1%. Okay. Onion. Hey guys, welcome. I'm Shatoya Lynn and I am doing all right. How are you today? I am here with another video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, thank you. I'm doing a different video today. I have been doing my research, guys. I have been looking for different positions to work around my family's schedule. So I did find some things and I wanted to share with you guys what I found, because if it can help me, it can help you guys. Okay guys, so I found 6 amazing work at home jobs. These are top paying positions. They have amazing packages, onboarding packages. They have a lot of bonus, and the schedules are very flexible. So if you are looking for those things, I would sit tight and listen to these 6 positions that I think may be best for anyone that's looking for an at-home job. Let's get into it. So my number 1 work-at-home job position would be Capital One. Capital One is always hiring for work-at-home positions. Always. Capital One is currently hiring for customer service representatives, and the pay is really good. All right, guys. So here is Capital One. Capital One actually is hiring for a virtual customer service rep. And this position is starting at $16 an hour. And all you need is customer service experience and have maybe a desktop or a laptop. I'm not sure if you need a landline phone, but this is actually a good one. A work from home group that I'm actually in, a lot of people has gotten hired with Capital One. So this is legit, guys. Capital One is a legit position and they are hiring for virtual customer service, and it starts at $16 an hour. All you would have to do is put in your information here. All right, guys, so as you've seen, that was Capital One. Capital One is an amazing company to work for. Now, I'm on number 2. Number 2 would be Humana. Humana is an insurance company. They are looking for multiple work-at-home positions. If you have any experience like medical billing, medical coding, claims, so many other positions they are hiring for currently. So here's a few positions that I found for you guys, so you guys can go ahead and apply. All right, guys, so here is number 2. and that is an insurance company. It is Humana. They are hiring for multiple virtual remote positions. As you can see there, they are hiring for actually it's 41. So here's just a few here. So like when I found all these work from home positions, I'm like, hey, because this is like amazing for parents. Sometimes it's hard for parents to work around kids' schedules. So this is perfect. So I decided to share this information with everyone. So many positions. All right. So here is number 3 on my list. Number 3 will be the company Sykes. Sykes is also a really good company. I actually do know a lot of people that got hired at Sykes for customer service reps, and they get back to you very fast, and they pay really good. So if I was you, head on over to Sykes. Here's some information here. Okay, and so here is my number 3 work from home job. The company is Sykes. Now, Sykes is always hiring. I've always seen them hiring for work at home positions. I just never knew, what it entailed. So I did a research, and it's actually really a good job, and a few people actually have gotten positions here as well. At the moment, Sykes is hiring for support agents, which is like customer service. So if you have any customer service background or experience, this one may be for you. Take a look into it. All right, so basically, this is the website here. This is how it looks, and it just tells you here to get started. And once you press get started, it'll give you the listing of work at home jobs in your state. So it's plenty. All right, so now number 4 on my stay at home list. This is number 4, TripleA. TripleA also is hiring for stay at home positions. TripleA is hiring for claims as well, customer service representatives, call center, multiple positions. They're currently hiring now for these positions. If you can go over to the website, here's a little information here. All right, guys, so here is TripleA. They have maybe about 5 positions currently right now for working from home. They have the claims specialist. They have the insurance sales agent. They have the customer service rep. And they also have the membership sales agent. And the call center, actually. So these are pretty darn good positions. They are working from home, and the pay seems pretty good. Let's take a look and see if it'll let me see what the pay is. Here's the perks, rewards, and benefits. So it's starting at $14 an hour, $14 to $14.93 an hour. You get a monthly incentive pay, a 50-cent increase after 6 months, which is not bad at all. All right, guys, number 5 will be American Express. American Express is hiring currently for work-at-home positions for customer service representatives. All right, guys, now this is number 5 on the work-from-home list. Now, I put American Express as number 5 because I do know a few people that have tried to apply for the American Express work from home positions, and I don't know anyone that has gotten hired so far here, but it's a good paying job and you may get lucky. This is customer service professional home-based servicing, and you apply here, and this is the job description. So let's take a look and see what they require for this position. Delivering extraordinary experiences to its customers and employees every day. Sounds good. We got that, right? We can do that. Let's see. So it just seems like they just really want some really good customer service. Here's some qualifications, skills, and here's some qualifications. Are you ready for the challenge? Minimum requirements. Yep, so I figured that it was just the customer service and about sales, 2 years plus experience. Number 6. Number 6 would be Progressive. Progressive is also hiring for work-at-home positions. They're also hiring for customer service reps, I believe claims, and I want to say call center, but here's some information that I did grab for you guys about Progressive work from home positions. So Progressive will be number 6 on the work from home list. Please, guys, here is Progressive. Progressive, this is my number 6 job position. They are hiring for a customer service rep, work from home. Let's see what the job requirements are, if it does offer it. They're hiring for September, which we're in September. We're hiring for September. Okay, so the position is a customer service rep to support existing customers, managing their policies. It says we'll provide you with extensive training and pay while you learn. So that's always awesome. Okay, let's see what else they're offering. The pay rate is $16.25 to $20 per hour, depending on your experience. An additional 10 to 15% when you work evening or weekend hours. That's not bad. You also get an annual bonus up to 16% of your salary. Woo! Sign me up. That sounds really good. Training. It looks like training is for 6 weeks. You do have a training schedule. It looks like it's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 in the morning to 5 p.m. On these days here. All right, guys, there you have it. You have 6 powerful companies, 6 amazing job positions, no scams, legit companies, and they pay really good. Parents, dads, moms, if you're looking for any work from home positions and things, schedules to work around your kids' schedule, these jobs and positions are perfect for you. You don't have to go into the office. You don't have to get dressed, to go into the job, save gas money, lunch money. So you have Capital One, we have Humana, we have Sykes, we have TripleA, American Express, and Progressive. These jobs right here are awesome jobs that's currently hiring for stay-at-home positions. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want me to do some more of these, I have a whole bunch of stay-at-home positions. I just decided to do these 6 because the pay was amazing and they're currently hiring right now. So head on over to these websites and take your chance. Apply with these companies and let me know how you did. And good luck, guys. And let me know how everything went. And if you want me to do more, I can. I have a whole bunch more to do. Thank you, guys. I love you. Thank you for coming to my channel. Have a great day.